how to trim in Photoshop. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So in order to trim any picture on your desktop, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the images option. So this is the image option and there is a trim option, but first you have to select the image. So I have selected this layer, then I have to go to the image option, and this is not available. And why this is not available? Because I am not selecting, this is the base image and I am not selecting any other image. So let's say I draw a rectangle over it. So as I draw a rectangle over this one, and this is a rectangle drawn, I have to select the rectangle. As I select the rectangle and I go to image, and then there is an option of trim, and there is a transparent pixel, so it will clear all the transparent pixel, all the top and left and bottom pixels. So you have to select the top, bottom, left, right, and then hit OK. As you hit OK, it will take some time, and it will completely trim your box to the box size of your layer. This is how you can trim all the things from your subject. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.